Hello students, today I am going to teach you how to balance chemical equations. Okay, let us start with some examples. I have taken like potassium permanganate. I am heating it up with concentrated hydrochloric acid over here. So I will get the product potassium chloride plus manganese chloride plus water and chlorine gas, right? Now we need to balance it. I know most of you might be knowing it how to balance it, but look the way I am going to teach you today. Hope you will like it at the end of the explanation. Okay, now I am using some variables over here like a, B, C, D, E and F. Okay. Now I am going to take each atom like potassium over here, manganese, oxygen, hydrogen, chlorine atom, right? Now I am putting it under column so that it becomes easy for us to understand. Next, what is the next task? Look at the number of atoms of potassium in the reactant part. We have only one atom, so 1 times A, it is equal to A, and we have to equate it with number of potassium atoms in the product part. So we have one atom of potassium and it is equal to C. 1 into C, that is equal to C. Means number of atoms in reactant equal to number of atoms in the product. Similarly for the manganese, we have only one atom of manganese, so it is 1 into A, that is equal to A, and in the product area, yes, we have only 1 into D, that is equal to D. Now let's go for the oxygen. We have 4 atoms of oxygen, and 4 times A equals 4A, and which is equal to 1E. That I will write only E. Okay, let's move on for the hydrogen. Okay, we have one atom of hydrogen. 1 times B equals B equal. Now over here in this area, you find that we have 2 atoms of hydrogen. The 2 times E equal twice E. So you have written over here. Now let's move on for the chlorine part. We have one atom of chlorine over here. So 1 times B, that is B, which is equal to twice F. But we have chlorine over here also. So starting from here, this is equal to C, 2 into D, 2D plus twice F. Okay. Now what you're going to do? I'm going to suppose something over here. What I'm going to do? I'm going to suppose something over here. I'm going to take. Let A equal to 1. Now, if I take A equal to 1, what happens? I will put 1 over here, so you will get C equal to 1. Okay, you got C equal to 1. Now, the same one what I am putting it over here, so I am also getting D equal to 1. See, I am getting D equal 1. Now, the same one I am putting over here, so 4 times 1 means 4, means E equal to 4. So, I got E equal to 4, and over here, okay, I will find the value of B because I know the value of E. E equal to how much? 4. 2 times 4 equals 8. So I am writing it 8 over here. Next, let us go for finding F because we haven't found F yet. Now for finding it F, what I am going to do? I am going to put all the values of B, C and D over there. So we have B over here 8, C is equal to 1. 2D means 2 times 1 plus twice F. So this is 8 and this is total 3 plus 2F minus 8. I will get 5 equal to twice F. So I got F equal to 5 upon 2. So I got 5 upon 2. Now what is the next one? We cannot have an atom in this form, number of atoms and all. We have to take LCM now. The LCM of it is equal to 2, so we need to multiply it by 2 thoroughly. Multiply by 2 over here. See what you will get. Multiply by 2 I'm writing it properly. This one, that is 5 upon 2. 2 get cancelled. So what I am left with, I have 2 over here. This is 16. This is equal to 2. This is equal to 2. This is equal 8, and this is equal to 5. Now I am going to replace A, B, C, D, E, F with all these numbers what I have got. Okay, so what I am getting over here, I am going to put the value over here. So the final answer over here will be, I am going to remove it from here. So I am writing it freshly beneath it. In place of A, I am going to write 2. So I am writing 2KMnO4 plus, in place of B, I am going to put over here 16. See this 16 HCl. Then we have over here C. C is equal to 2. So I am writing at over here 2KCl. In place of D, I am writing 2. This is 2MnCl2. Now in place of E, I am writing 8. This is 8H2O. And in place of F, I am writing 5. That is 5Cl2. 5Cl2. Now let us see. Count it up. See, we have 2 potassium over here. We have 2 potassium atom. We have 2 manganese atom. We have 2 manganese atom. We have altogether 8 oxygen. So we have 8 oxygen atom over here. Now we have 16 hydrogen. So we have 8 to the 16 hydrogen. Well, and chlorine, 16 chlorine. Count it. 2 chlorine, 2 to the 4. 4 plus 2, 6. And this is 5 to the 10. That means yes, we have balanced it properly. Okay. We will take another example. Suppose I take another example, like suppose I take of like potassium dichromate. Okay, in a similar fashion I am going to take, suppose I am taking potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7. okay, I am going to take I'm going to heat it up with hydrochloric acid, similar over here, HCl. So what I'll get potassium chloride. Okay, I have KCl, I will have CrCl3. Okay, then we have like water H2O and Cl2. I hope the equations what I have written is correct. Okay, well, I need to balance it now. I'm going to balance now. I'm going to use the same method what I have just now done with this. So I'm placing it over here. A, B, C, D, E, and F. Right? Now let us make column. I'm just preparing the column over here. We have space in this corner. I can see. See, I'm making it over here. It's like potassium we have chromium, fine. Next we have like oxygen atom. Next we have hydrogen atom, and lastly we have chlorine atom. Okay, fine. The same way, count the number of atoms of potassium in the reactant parts, which will be equal to number of atoms present in the product area. Okay, let us equate it. Now see, we can see over here, this 2 times A. It is twice A. I'm writing over here twice A equal, and over here we have only 1, that is 1C. That means this is equal to C. Now what about this? This is twice A again. This is twice A, which will be equal to like D over here. Well, what about oxygen? 7A. Well, this is 7A, and over here oxygen, oh, it's only E, right? Now what about H, hydrogen atom? This is B over here, and yeah, which is equal to twice E over here. And chlorine last, yes, we have a B over here, and which is equal to C plus 3D, C plus 3D plus twice F. I'm writing over here twice F. Now we need to balance it now. Now what I'm going to do? As before I have taken, let us suppose A equal to 1. In the same way I am going to take A equal to 1. I am supposing it over here. Let A equal to 1. Now what happens when I take A equal to 1? So it will be 2 times 1 equal to C. So I got the value of C equal to 2. Similarly, we will get the value of D. I am just writing 2 into 1 equal to D. So I got D equal to 2. Well, so far so good. Now what about E? About E, okay, 7 times 1 equal E. So E equal 7. I got 7 over here. Next, we can find the value of F and B also. Well, we know E equals 7. So 2 times 7 it is equal to 14. So yes, I got over here 14. And lastly, we need to find the value of F. We have to put the values of B, C, D. Okay. Now what is B over here? This is 14. C equal to D equal to 2 means 3 times 2. I'm going to write over here 3 times 2 plus twice F. This is 14 equal to 6. 2 plus 6 plus twice F. So 14 equal to 8 plus twice F. 14 minus 8 equal to 6 equal to twice F. So F equal to 3. I got F equal to 3. I got it F equal to 3. Now dear students, what I am going to do, I am going to replace these ABCDs by the numbers what I have got right now. Okay, I am just replacing it. Just look it over here. I am doing it. It is like, okay, it is 1 over here. So I am writing only 1. It is K2 Cr2O7 plus. In place of B, I am writing 14 HCl. Now let's go to the product area. Now C is equal to 2, so I got 2 KCl. In place of D again it is 2 CrCl3. In place of E I am writing 7 H2O, and in place of F I am writing 3 Cl2. Okay. Now let us count the number of atoms, whether they are equal on both the sides or not. Okay, let us count it. Look at the potassium first. Yes, it is 2 atoms of potassium. Yes, we have 2 atoms of potassium. Similarly, chromium, we have 2 atoms. Yes, we have 2 atoms of chromium over here. Oxygen 7 times. This is 7, huh? This is 7. This is 7, right? This is 7. 7 times 1, 7. And let us count oxygen. Yes, we have 7 atoms. Let's go for hydrogen. We have 14 atoms of hydrogen. 7 2 times 14. Okay. Next we have 14 chlorine atoms. So we have the 2 chlorine plus 6. 2 plus 6 equal to 8. And over here 3 to the 6. 8 plus 6 14. Yes, we have balanced it properly. I hope you have understood the method what I have taught you right now. Okay, and you will utilize it to balance the equation properly. Okay, thank you very much.